Hey guys, please disregard the white thing that's in my lip. It's due to my lip gloss, and I did not see it prior to recording this video, and I'm now editing the video, and I'm now seeing it, and I look crazy. I know I do, but please disregard it. Thank you. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome back to Keeping Up with China. Today we're back with another video, and for today's video I'm gonna be installing this wig, this glueless wig, and I just wanted to show you guys how to do that. You guys, I'm no professional. I just do this sometimes, and I wanted to show you guys. So, and honestly, truly, I feel like there's no right or wrong way of doing things. If it works for you, it works for you. And if you want to take the, if you want to, you use me as a guide, if you want to try it, go ahead, but if not, whatever, but anyways guys, if you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back to this channel. So yeah, so you guys can see my hair is pretty full. Yeah, it's been about 2 weeks, I believe, 2-3 weeks since I've got a retwist, so my hair is it's starting to get a little puffy at the roots. So yeah, so first we have to try to tame my hair down, and then I'm going to put in a stocking cap so you can keep it down a little bit, you guys. The hair that I'm going to use is my sister's wig. Hold on, I'm going to grab it for you guys. It's my sister's wig. It's already made. She's had this for a while now, you guys. This hair is, I believe, like 2 years old, I believe, but it's still amazing. And it's from her hair collection, so if you guys are interested, I will leave the link down below. Okay, you guys? Alright, so the trick really is to make sure that, because the hair is a middle part, it's a middle part, not front, so closure. So since it's a middle part closure, we're going to try to, make sure the top part is flat, which is really the most important part. What I'm doing is just braiding the front and bring it to the back, because the most important thing is the front and the top part, so it's not like bumpy or anything. Just gonna braid it to the going back, and then oops, I forgot, you guys, sorry. I'm gonna use my rubber bands to seal the end. Okay, and then we're going to do this part too. This is just the back. Like, it's not really neat or anything. I'm just really just making sure that the top part and right here is like flat. The bag, I mean, I feel like the bag doesn't really matter. It's like, as long as the front and the top is good, you're good. Okay, you guys, so just tie this. Half is done. Now we're gonna do this side. You guys don't mind my sister. I don't know what she's doing outside. She's doing her lip gloss thing, and I don't know why she's beating outside like that.
You guys see how flat it is? I feel like this side is a little bit more flat. I mean, I do have less hair on this side than I have on my other side. This side is always fuller than this side, so I mean it makes sense. Okay, so let me just finish braiding it. Just do like a ugly braid, you guys, going back. Okay, and then I'm gonna take rubber band to secure the end. Okay, and then the middle part in the back, just gotta make sure it's not in the way or out since everything else is already in. Just do a little doo-doo braid going in the back. I'm gonna show you guys how we look in the back, and I'm pretty sure, guys, it's not cute at all. Oop, the rubber band broke. So don't judge me, you guys. This is going inside a cap, so honestly, truly, it doesn't matter. I mean, if you have time and you want to do them very neat and, you know, do them neat and the way of your liking, but me, I'm more than a rush, you guys, and me, I just do them, you know, as neat as I can. Okay, guys. Okay, this is basically it, you guys. So I'm gonna show you guys this. So this is the front. I'm gonna show you guys the back. See how it's not really neat, but you guys, it'll do the trick. All right, so now we're gonna place the stocking cap on. Okay, gonna put in the stocking cap. Okay. Okay. You know, you guys can pat them down so we can, you know. You guys see how it fits so snug in the cap. It fits so nice and snug. All right, so I'll be right back. All right, you guys. So my hair is down. I got the wig ready right here. So now all you gotta do now is just pop the wig in. Right, I have a pretty big head, so, and my sister have a pretty small head, so it might look a little crazy, but let me show you guys. So it has an elastic band, so I'm gonna put the elastic band first, and you have to hold the wig like this. Make sure it goes underneath, and then okay, hold on, yeah, don't be alarmed. All right, so we're not done yet. Now we can fix it up a little bit now. Okay, you guys already see how it's already coming together, and I literally just placed the wig on. So now let's just brush it first, and then we can fix it to our liking. Okay. Like this hair, when I tell you guys, this hair is bomb.com. Like I didn't even flat iron it yet. Like my sister wore this 3 days ago, and she literally just threw it inside her closet, and I literally just grabbed it. And you guys, like, I just brushed it, and look how silky the hair is, you guys. Like, so you know how a lot of people just think that because we have locks we can't really wear wigs or anything, or it's like impossible to wear a wig. When I tell you guys, I have pretty thick locks. Like, I mean, they're not as thick, but you know, I have thick locks, you guys. So, and you know, you can play around and just fix it to your liking. I mean, I feel like if I had fixed my hair, if I braided my hair more down and actually, you know, put it down more, like, you know, the back wouldn't really, but then again, it's not really a problem. You can always you can always use like a black stocking cap, so that, you know, when you do wear your wigs and stuff, it doesn't show. Even if, you know, the wind blow, it might show a little bit, but they're not gonna see that you have like a what you call it, this color cap, you know. Because this wig, it was made for my sister, and she have like, I think the wig cap is like a size small, or like a regular, so it's pretty small. Me, usually I wear like a lot, like an extra large, because I have a very big head, plus my locks. You know, that makes it even harder. Not even harder, but it makes it, because of all the hair, and also I have pretty thick locks, you guys. So it's a little harder. It makes it a little bit harder to hide all my hair. But yeah, but like I said, you know, if you have more hair, you might want to use like when you're doing the wig, you might want to use like a extra large cap, so that, you know, all your hair can fit inside of the locks. But you guys saw how easy and quick this was, right? Like, it didn't take me long at all. Like, it took me like less than, if not 5 minutes, I mean 5 minutes, I guess, to braid down the hair. 5 minutes to actually braid down the hair. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look, you guys. You guys see how nice and smooth this turned out. Yeah, you guys, like, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys want me to do more videos on installing glueless wigs, or just wigs in general, or I don't know, or do like different hairstyles with my locks. Because, you know, a lot of people just think because you have locks you can't really do nothing with your hair or with your locks, you guys, which is not true. You can do a lot. I mean, my locks were a choice, and because, you know, it was a choice for me, because I didn't want to, you know, wear weaves and stuff like that all the time anymore, or deal with my natural hair, because my natural hair was actually a pain, believe it or not, because it was so thick and stuff. So yeah, you guys, so this is the finished look. If you guys want to know how if you guys want to see more videos or have any questions and stuff regarding this look, you can leave your comments down below. And just reminder, you guys can always change the cap size, and also change the color of the stocking cap, so that if the wind blows, you won't be able to see the tan color in the back. Or you can just take your time and apply it next you know, to your liking, so that, you know, if the wind blows, you know, if not, whatever, you guys, it's up to you. I mean, me, this is how I get it, you know, on a day where I'm like on the go and I just need something quick and fast. This is it, you guys. And, you know, this is it, you guys. So if you guys have any questions, please leave it down below. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.